Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best bowling tape is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious bowler looking to improve their game, offering a simple yet incredibly effective solution for achieving a consistent and comfortable grip on the ball, which can be the difference between a strike and a gutter ball, especially during those crucial moments when precision and control are paramount. This versatile tape is designed to enhance your performance by providing that extra layer of security and feel, ensuring your hand stays firmly in place throughout your swing, allowing for a more fluid and powerful release every single time you step up to the lane. Number 5. Motiv Flex Protective Performance Tape Black. Introducing the Motiv Flex Protective Performance Tape. It's designed to offer superior protection and enhance your performance with ease. Our innovative 1-2-3 system provides fast, medium, and slow release options. This allows you to customize the level of surface friction and control you need. Beyond protection, it doubles as a fitting tape thanks to its varying thicknesses. Choose thin for fast, medium for medium, and thick for slow release. The fast release option is crafted from a durable synthetic material. It's built to last and withstand demanding use. It features a very strong adhesive that ensures a secure hold. Plus, you can count on low residue removal, keeping surfaces clean. This versatile tape is available in a convenient 1-inch width. It's ready to meet your specific application needs. What we like. This tape offers a versatile 1-2-3 system with release options. It also doubles as fitting tape due to varying thicknesses. If you are looking for a tape that provides control and can also help with fine-tuning your fit, this is a great choice. What people say. This tape is great for gripping the ball and preventing slippage. It's easy to apply and remove, and it doesn't leave any residue. The tape is also very durable and lasts for a long time. Number 4. Storm Max Pro Thumb Tape, Teal. Introducing the Storm Max Pro Thumb Tape in a vibrant teal color. This essential accessory is designed for bowlers seeking enhanced grip and control. Experience a new level of confidence on the lanes. Its advanced design ensures a secure fit, allowing for a consistent and powerful release. Specifically engineered for the sport of bowling, this tape provides the support you need to perform at your best. It's a must-have for any serious player. Crafted for durability, it withstands the rigors of frequent use. You can rely on it to maintain its performance game after game. Applying it is simple and quick, so you can focus more on your game. Get ready to elevate your bowling experience with this premium tape. What we like. This option is designed for a fast release. Its compact packaging makes it easy to carry. If you prioritize a quick release and need a portable solution, this tape is worth considering. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and remove, leaving no residue. It provides a secure grip and prevents blisters during long bowling sessions. The tape is thin yet durable, offering excellent protection for fingers. Number 3. Motiv Flex Protective Performance Tape. Discover the revolutionary Flex Protective Performance Tape from Motiv. It's designed for optimal performance and protection. Our innovative system offers 3 distinct release options: fast, medium, and slow. This allows for precise control over surface friction. It's not just protective, it doubles as a fitting tape. Choose thin for fast, medium for medium, and thick for slow release. The medium release option is crafted from synthetic material. It features a robust adhesive that leaves minimal residue. This high-performance tape is conveniently available in a single width, ensuring ease of use for all your needs. What we like. This tape provides a medium release option and can also function as fitting tape. Its strong adhesive leaves minimal residue. If you prefer a balanced release and need a tape that assists with fit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and remove. It provides a good grip and prevents blisters. The tape is durable and stays in place during play. Number 2. Genesis Bowling Excel Copper Performance Tape, Blue. Introducing our new line of performance tapes. They offer superior protection against blisters, cuts, and abrasions, keeping you in the game. Choose from 5 distinct styles, each with unique textures, thicknesses, and material stretch properties. Find the perfect tape for your needs. These tapes allow you to fine-tune the speed of your release. Layer pieces for a perfect fit with less waste. Experience the power of kinesiology. It helps increase blood flow and control swelling, enhancing your performance. Achieve the perfect fit every time. Our tapes are designed for optimal comfort and performance on the lanes. Elevate your game with this advanced bowling tape. It's designed for bowlers who demand the best in protection and performance. What we like. This tape comes in 5 distinct styles, offering a wide range of textures and thicknesses. It even incorporates kinesiology to aid blood flow and reduce swelling. If you are looking for maximum customization and potential performance benefits, this tape is ideal. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and remove, leaving no sticky residue. It provides a secure grip and prevents blisters during long bowling sessions. The tape is breathable and comfortable, allowing the skin to stay dry. Number 1. Genesis Bowling Excel Copper Performance Tape, Red. Introducing our new line of performance tapes. They provide superior protection against blisters, cuts, and abrasions, ensuring you can focus on your game. These tapes are available in 5 distinct styles, each offering unique textures, thicknesses, and material stretch properties. With a multitude of options, you can fine-tune the speed of your release. Layer pieces for a perfect fit with less waste. Experience the power of kinesiology. It helps increase blood flow and control swelling, keeping you comfortable and performing at your best. Designed specifically for bowlers, these tapes offer the ultimate combination of protection and performance enhancement. What we like. With 5 distinct styles, this tape offers exceptional versatility in texture and thickness. The inclusion of kinesiology is a unique benefit for recovery. If you value extensive choice and are interested in the added benefits of kinesiology, this tape is a strong contender. What people say. This tape is great for gripping the ball. It is easy to apply and remove. The tape provides excellent support for my thumb. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.